doing this video to try to help document if the issue I'm having with the car. I have this clunking sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Been having this issue for a little while now. I'm here driving traffic in Miami, but I've been having this issue for a little while now. Have not been able to figure it out. I've changed the front sway links, wheel bearings, hubs. I've changed the engine mount, transmission mount, dependent mount. Just confused as to what the hell would causing the sound. And even before I changed all the mounts, I changed the front sway links, and it's still doing that noise. So yeah. Just posting this video so that we can have some kind of sound clip and see if you guys can help me out, please. Probably someone has had the same issue and knows exactly what it is. If not, I'll just take it to a shop and hopefully diagnose it. But yeah, basically the issue that I have been having, and then just trying to get some help from the community. So if you guys have this issue before, please let me know. Do a little bit more, because guys, thank you.